Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Loom screen recorder. So it's pretty much interesting tool that will help you to record your screen. So if you want to present something, or if you want to record your screen, or if you want to present or create a project, then you can use this Loom video recorder or screen recorder. That will help you a lot, and it has some pretty much advanced features that can make your screen record much interesting and attractive. So from here, first you have to sign up to that Loom account. Here you should click on Loom, or you can simply click on get Loom for free. So I'm going to click on it. So for that you have to sign up to the Loom account. Now you can sign up with your Google account. Here simply click on Google account. Now select your Gmail and simply click on continue to with that Gmail. Now you have to agree to their privacy and policy. Now simply click on I agree, and here you can see I have just created a Loom account. Now it will ask me to set up this account. So if you want a Loom screen recorder for work, then you can choose for work. If you want to create presentation or any type of work or any type of project or anything that are related to your education, then you can select for education. Or if it's only for your personal projects or personal use, then you can select the for personal projects here. Now simply click on continue button after selecting one of these three. After that you can change your workplace name from here. So I'm going to go with this name here. You can change it if you want. So now simply after entering the name, simply click on this continue button. Now invite your teammates. If you have any teammates, then you can invite them. You can enter their actually email here. You can enter their email, and you can enter multiple email, but you have to give a space. You have to enter a space between the multiple emails, so it will separate the emails here. After that you can simply click on invite and continue, or you can simply go with the not now if you don't want to add your team or you don't have any team right now. Now set up meeting recordings. You can connect with your Google Calendar, so it can schedule your meetings and it can notify you, or it can prepare you for the meeting recordings. Or you can also connect with your Outlook calendar, or you can skip this part for right now. Now from here you can download the desktop application. For that you can simply click on download app, or you can actually install the Chrome extension. So most of the people prefer the Chrome extension because it take less storage and it work properly. Also app will but sometimes extension might fail in some cases if you are on any heavy load. If you are using multiple heavy load application on your system or web page, or you have for example you have opened too many tabs that your system can't load, so sometimes it can crash. But the desktop app will work more than that. But if you want to use that easily, then you can simply click on install this Chrome extension. So it is pretty much simple to use the screen recorder. So you can simply click on add to Chrome. Now click on add extension here. Now it will download the extension file, and here you can see it has just downloaded, and it will automatically set up your extension. So here you can see it has just created my account here, and if you click on this puzzle icon, you can find your Loom screen recorder extension. You can simply click on that extension here, so it will start recording. So you can go with the full screen here, like I'm going to click on it, yes, proceed, and you can go with this camera. So if you want to record your screen, you might need to confirm that it is set up to camera, so it can capture your screen here. So this is actually your webcam. So right now I don't have any webcam on my PC, so it can't record my face here. So this is actually your webcam, so you can rotate your webcam or something like this, or you can simply close your webcam by click on by hover over this three dot button, and you can choose the size here, you can expand it, you can get it full screen here. So or you can simply click on close button here to close your webcam here. Now allow click on allow to all permission here, yes, proceed. And then from here you can see choose camera. If you want to choose camera or enable the webcam, you can simply click on this camera again. So here we can see the microphone is actually turned on, so that is actually capturing my voice here. So you can find that frequency dance on that microphone. That's mean the microphone is working properly. So no camera, that's mean I don't have any camera, so it won't work for it. Now window, you can select on window, so it will select the only window, or you can go with current tab, or you can simply click on full screen to capture whole screen of your PC or your phone. Then you can choose the effects from here. You can find different types of effect. You can choose the blur effect, or you can choose the colorful effect here. You can different types of effect here, or if you select none, then it will disable all the effects from here. Here you can see some more effects here, or canvas. You can add some canvas here, you can add empty canvas here. So if you click on it, you will find the empty canvas where you can text, you can select any type of text layout that you want to text here, or you can use background image here. You can add just this type of background image. Now text layout like this, you can add a text like subscribe. Yes, do subscribe our channel so we can get you more tutorial for you. Now you from here you can select the text style, font style like this, and you can also make it larger like this, and yes, you can make it bold, make it italic, or if you want so that's how you can also make it make a perfect alignment for it. Now that's how you can just choose the texture. This is actually the template here, so that are working perfectly. You can choose the blur effect here if you want. So I'm going to click on none button here, and from here the second one is blur, that will help you to blur a section here. So if you select a object, then it will easily blur it that you don't want to show it on the video, so you can simply click on it and it will blur that section. For example, your personal details, your number or your email or password, you want to don't want to show that, then you can simply click on that and it will actually blur that section. Now you can simply click on done to save the changes. And here you will find the more button here. You can go to the settings and make sure that video quality is on 1080p, so you can get the best quality of video, the HD quality of video. Recording countdown will help you to make to prepare that your video is turning on. But if it's turned on suddenly, then you actually, it can't be a perfect starting for you. It might not be the perfect starting for you. Then the recording controls, so show or hide the recording controls. So you can enable the recording controls, that you can control the recording just like this. This is actually the recording controls. You can pause it, you can place it anywhere in the screen. You can just need to click and hold on this, and you can place it anywhere. So you can control the video recording. You can pause or play it, you can fast forward it, you can just save it by this square icon, you can make it blur, you can make webcam blur, or you can restart your or refresh or restart your screen recording, or you can delete that recording easily by click on this trash icon from here. Now flip camera, you can turn on the flip camera, so it will help you to flip your camera if your webcam support that. Now show recording time, so it will show the recording time, how much length that your recording have right now. That was the settings, actually pretty much settings here. Then the notification, you can turn on the notification, you can switch it to the light mode or the dark mode from here. Now you can simply click on close to close that recording from here. So again, if you want to turn it on, or there's something like in home button here, you can find all the screen recorded that you have recorded in my library. You can record Loom here, so you can find all the recorded video, or you can download it to your file manager. You can just, for example, I'm going to record that Loom video here from here. like here. Now you have to simply click on start recording and confirm what to share. Yes, and you have to choose the interior screen or window or screen tab. You have to choose the screen from here, and yes, I'm going to choose the interior screen here. Now simply click on share. Now here you can see the countdown is started, like you can skip it. Here you can see the countdown is done and the video is currently running. The timer is started, and you can finish it by this button here. You can pause that video, you can play that video by tap on it, and you can just delete it by this trash icon here. So after that, here you can see I just recording the video. Now you can blur a content. Here you can see it is just capturing a content from here. For example, I want to blur this content here, so it will help you to blur as much as it can. Just like this, you can just select a section and you can simply click on it to make it blur. So just like this, you can simply click on this button here, or otherwise you can simply go to the section here, so resume, or you can turn on that you can simply, not this actually, you can simply again click on it and it will start. Here you can see that the video is now captured. Here you can see it has just like this, it has just played the video that I have just captured. So from here you can just get that video, download that video, that you can simply click on download. So you can download the mobile application, and from here you can add a link from here, and from here you can simply click on share button, and you can share it through Google or any other anything actually in social media. The embedded here, so you can embed that code here, so you can get the code, so you can embed the video in anywhere you want. So just like this, and if you want to download that video on your system, then you can simply click on this three-dot button and you will find this download video option that is actually available on the premium version here. So available with your trial. Actually this is actually a free trial, that's why it's not available right now. You can upgrade it, you can simply click on upgrade, and from here you can find the plan from here that you can upgrade to, like this is actually annually and monthly. The monthly you have to pay this, and for annually you have to pay this. So that's how you can get the subscription on Loom, and you can record video and download it. It's pretty much awesome, I think. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up and check out the affiliate link that I have added to the description box, or in the description or in the comment section, that will help you to get a discount on this Loom website. So you can get an extra discount, so don't forget to use that link to get the subscription on Loom. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.